They probably not gonna have no fucking road on here to take you outside.
Yo, this shit is just beautiful.
Maybe we can walk down the road and we'll see if it opens up later or not. It has to.
I know, right?
Either up or down the road.
This can't be the best view. I refuse to let it. Damn, shut that down real quick. Damn, Sass. I say you shut that down real quick.
And I'm letting her believe that she won't.
Jerk over here. Man, that water is beautiful. It's the perfect mix of blue and green. Why all the water on the coast gotta be green? Yeah. Damn, that shit is fucking beautiful. Alright. Just had to grab that real quick. Hey, it's a good thing they don't own all the roads we take to go to work and shit, you know what I'm saying? He's gonna be able to go nowhere. He's good. Everyone bad. That church looked like something out of a horror movie, I don't know why. Maybe it's the cross. Oh, that's a house? We have some natives with us. The area we're in. Hey man, I got a golf ball in the eye. Coming for you. Yeah, I think that's a trail on this side. Cause this shit is too lush green. No one else walking over there like that. Unless on the other side. Oh, I got you. So we're just cutting it off. Oh yeah, downhill with the camera. This should be exciting. That nigga live in New York. Yeah. For real. Well, he said represented, but he ain't even here. I want to hear the answer to that question. Here they are. Just let them hang. Just hanging out. Yes.
It was special.
Special stuff. Did you hear that rare bird? They're somewhere around. It's like they're taunting me. leave you at a cliffhanger. Beach access trail. That's what we need. I didn't even think about that. Exactly, my nigga, they feel like they own this part of the beach. Like, this is our section of the beach. Take your ass up the coast.
There they go. Got them.
The rare birds.
The rare birds.
Hold on, hold on. Yeah, I mean, it's too small. I hear the rare birds. When will they make their grand appearance? Yeah. Shit gets real. Cause that shit, to me, that shit gets real like 5 feet off the shore, my nigga. But out there, that shit
I
gets...
don't get real to me. Touch rock.
Oh, okay. Nah, it gets real to me when you can't touch nothing. You know what I'm saying? When you keep walking into the water.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. That shit happened to me one time. Nigga, I started getting pulled into the tide. I'm like, oh shit. But then the waves pushed me back. I'm like, oh. Hell yeah.
You ever been find like a riptide?
Who was telling me? Matter of fact, my nigga Mike was telling me about that. He said he got pulled. No, it was my nigga Daryl. He said he got pulled up in there. But it was a surfer. He said he gave up. He said he was trying to swim against the current, but it was just too strong. He gave up. And then a surfer was out there and grabbed him and took him to the shore. Like that nigga was about he let it go. He was like, can't do nothing. Yeah, he was like, can't do nothing about it. Nice. Hell yeah. How you doing? Make it rare to me. I'm playing. Do you hear? You hear that? I think we see some rare birds.
They making it hard.
Yo, they are truly elusive. Damn it. Do they not want to be on YouTube? I don't think they... Oh yeah, that's what I do. Rare birds. Did you see that? Did you see that, America? Yeah, out here. Are you sure? Oh, I guess so. Man, you know what? Why don't we try it? Oh, she was telling me she was on the shortcut. Everybody, watch your head. Keep your head low. Golf course is around the corner. Cause all they gonna say is, "Oops, I'm sorry."
Wherever this is, that's where we was on the right one.
What is that out there?
See it in the water?
Man, trails, rare birds. This one goes back around. Like, are you guys lost? Like what gave it away? I found a fruit tree. What the? Y'all got sticks and fruits? I looked away for a second.
What is that?
What y'all got? Lemon? Oh, orange. Nah.
Want a piece?
Oh, nah, I'm alright. All right, 28 minutes of battery. I'm gonna save it for the beach. Oh,
If you
fuck
stay
that.
still, you can feel everybody walking on this motherfucker.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Y'all crazy, man. Any nigga that jump on a bridge is insane.
I'm suing if I fall through. They got money.
Yeah. This is where they harvest our organs at. This is
Groundwater.
This is backwash from the sewer. That's why it's so brown. it's been chemically treated already. Oh yeah, I must say, it ain't the hike to, it ain't the bridge to nowhere, but there's some scenery out here. Yes, yes. I came on a search for birds, but this is better. Hey, it's a dog down there. What's up, little man? Hey, he gonna stay lost. I ain't going down there. got us to our destination, sir.
These rocks like this.
Yeah. Get out of the way. Years and years. Hello there, ladies. You made it. We made it. Let's take in the scenes one good time. Oh yes. Let's see the clothes.
Palos Verdes. Don't look like it's such a good day to get in the water. Look at that one. See those big ass waves? Not my thing. Yeah. We'll see the first two the most. But yeah, they there, baby.
Stop, I'm shy.
No, you ain't. He not shy.
Oh. Damn, the ocean got enough water. It's not too far.
You can keep your big love. Look at those little lovebirds over there. All we needed was Brielle. You heard me? All we need was Brielle.
What? Why? Oh. Hey, yeah, man, you gotta bring Brielle, bro.
This shit is so
Does she do
pretty.
stuff like this?
Honestly, I don't know. Never really asked. We came from up there somewhere, but we were by the golf course.
Hard though. There you go.
That's what I was trying to do.
You get this on tape, bro? See? Watch, I'm about to skip this 3 times. Watch.
I can't even
That
see
shit
it.
like in Hercules, how he made the what? How he made, you ain't seen Hercules?
Been thinking about skipping rocks and shit.
Say like you when I make that
Man, fuck skipping rocks. That shit don't got nothing to do with it.
The waves is real.
I said 10 minutes.
Got 1 minute left.
1 minute left. Total? What was it?
Oh no, it say 56 minutes. 56.